everyone, today I will show you how to get text from image. Look at this. There is image folder. Let's play. Yes, this is the result. I will show you the picture. The picture is this. Dear President Trump, please remove the spies in Blue House, South Korea. This is the image file. Dear President Trump, please remove the spies in Blue House, South Korea. Okay. This is a Korean language. How to get Korean language? Yes, the lang, change it to KOR and run. Okay. 트럼프 대통령님, 대한민국 청와대에 있는 간첩들 좀 제거해 주세요. Okay, we succeed. Thank you so much. Bye bye.